Hi everyone, Mike from CCTV Camera Pros here. I'm testing out another one of our Viewtron IP cameras. This one's a 1080p or 2 megapixel resolution. It's that bullet camera that you see behind me. It looks like the other ones I've been testing. They all have that same body style and they all fit on that same junction box, but this one is 2 megapixel resolution. And let me turn around, give a quick wave. You can see the front of me on the camera. And I'm just going to walk around out here a bit and show you some of the views at a different distance. As I walk out here, point out that this stop sign that I'm walking towards is about 95 feet from where that camera is mounted. So I just want to go out here and show you what 2 megapixel resolution looks like with a 3 megapixel lens, 2 megapixel camera with a 3.6 millimeter lens. As you can see, it gives you a nice wide overview out here. And obviously, as I get closer to the camera, things become clearer and clearer, as you would expect. So I'm going to come back tonight when the sun goes down and show you what the nighttime IR looks like. Our parking lot has lights, but it's a very realistic test for everyone because it's pretty typical to have these cameras mounted in areas that are not completely dark, but parking lots like this that have some lighting. So I'll be back tonight and I'll show you what the nighttime view looks like.
Okay, so obviously it's nighttime now here in West Palm Beach, Florida. And I'm just going to come outside like I usually do and give a couple waves to the camera so you can see what a person looks like using this camera. And obviously the camera's in nighttime infrared mode. You can tell that by the black and white color. And actually when the headlights of my car turn on now, it lights up the area enough to where the camera actually switches out of nighttime IR mode and it's now in daytime color mode. Which you could see works quite well also in our parking lot. We do have lights in this parking lot. There are street lights throughout the parking lot, so it's not a zero light environment by any means. And you could see after my car leaves the area and the lights from my headlights are gone, then the camera turns back to IR night vision mode. I'm going to pull up here again, and I believe the camera is going to turn back into daytime mode from my headlights. Yep, there it goes. Switches back into day mode. And that's our nighttime test for this camera.
I hope these videos were useful in showing you how that Viewtron IP-B2 camera performs. Again, it's a 3.6 millimeter fixed lens. It provides about an 86-degree field of view, built-in IR night vision that's effective up to about 30 meters. Indoor or outdoor, it's an IP67 weatherproof housing, and it's extremely affordable. We have this priced at about $109 right now. It's ONVIF compliant. It works with the Viewtron NVRs, or it will work with third-party NVRs. If you have any questions about it, you can contact me directly at mike@cctvcamerapros.net, or you can visit the product page and see more images, see this video, and everything else we have to say about it at www.cctvcamerapros.com/B2. Thank you for watching.